This is Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport in a big bend trim and powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and of course with four-wheel drive capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well. Let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and then you've got a tough cargo floor underneath of which you have your spare. On either side, you have these tie-down points, 12-volt power outlet here, and then power switch for your hatch lights, which can be articulated to shine where you need them. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders there. And the backs of the seats have pouches with MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And in the middle, you have a USB and USB-C. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside and warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone, or you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your driver assist settings, navigation, your now playing, phone controls, information, trip information, and then your My View. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, adaptive steering, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, as well as your lane keeping assist on the end of the signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Then you've got your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, hazards, and this little tray area. And then your climate controls with heated front seats. And this tray area with a 12-volt power outlet, USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. And last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest with a ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.